Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today we've got a Dell Inspiron 5502, which has come in for a no power or no turning on issue. So if I plug in the charger, you'll see that I get a brief light, followed by some orange light and then a white light. But it happens every now and then, not all the time. Let's find out what's going on. So let's take the back off. Okay, there is quite a bit of dust, although that shouldn't have anything to do with it. I'm just going to give it a quick dusting just to make sure it's a little bit clean so I can work with it properly. Let's just have a quick look around, see what's going on. Can't see anything that's kind of disturbing it at all. I can't see anything that is sticking out at the moment. I'm just having a quick visual inspection of the board, if there's any signs of liquid damage and so on. Could be a very basic repair or a very simple fault, could be something like a memory issue, but I'm having a look around just in case. Now I don't remember the sequence of those flashing amber lights, I'm not sure. That will give me an idea, but they're not coming at the moment, so. Right, I can't see nothing at the moment. Okay, so first thing to do, I think, disconnect the battery, and then we'll see where we are. Okay, there you go, put it there. And now I'm going to just power up the device, or press power, so I'm draining all the power from the board. Like so. And then now I want to try it to see if it works just on direct power or on the adapter. Let's see if we get anything at all. Right, so the fan is spinning. Okay, that tells me that this machine is actually working, and it's gone off. So let's have a look. Because we've disconnected the battery, it's probably reset the BIOS, so it's still trying to power up. Let's see what it does. Let me press the power button again. Okay, the light's on. See that? Let me remove. Oh no, the BIOS batteries. Yeah, some machines have the BIOS battery built into the main battery, but this one is here. So let me do that again. I didn't see that there actually. Okay, let's press the power button. Now plug it in. I'm not even going to put the BIOS battery in now. Let's see what happens. I just press power. Okay, we've got a fan spin. But how long will that fan stay spinning for? Not for long. Plug in the battery. BIOS battery back in. What I'm going to do now is I want to see if this memory is causing any issues. A lot of dust around this machine, so is that the problem? I mean, look at that. That's dirty there. So I just want to give this a quick clean, and also the other one. Let's do this. Let's put this memory on this side and see what happens. Now let's see if we can get these the flashing amber lights. That will give us an idea of what the issue is. Charging light is now staying on continuously. It's not going off, which is a good sign. We've got keyboard lights are on. The power light is staying on. Look, the keyboard lights are actually on. Power light is on as well. Ah, there you go. So was it as simple as a dirty memory bank? So that was pretty straightforward, wasn't it? So I think it just needs a good clean up and just clean wherever I can, especially the memory banks. Clean those up and see what happens. But the machine's running fine. I've been told it was only working on power anyway, so the battery, I assume, is shot anyway. So we won't bother even unplugging it at the moment. What I want to do right now is get the machine up and running. And you know, at the moment it's going through diagnosing your PC. I assume this probably won't. It might work. I might have to restart it, and then it'll probably be okay. But let's see what happens. Anyway, I had no idea what was wrong with this, but I started with the simplest thing first, and the most basic thing that you can do on a laptop is do what I just did. Make sure you disconnect the battery first, press the power button, drain the power from the battery. If there's a bias battery, disconnect that as well, and then drain the board of any power. Plug it all back in. Doesn't work. Disconnect it. Drain the power. Put a test the memory. If that works, job done. As you can see, the laptop's working fine now. It's just booting up into Windows, and you'll see, even if you look at the bottom right now, the charging symbol is there, although the battery is completely shot. I do want to test that out. I will replace this battery, I think, as well. Well, I'd recommend to the customer that the battery needs changing. If you want to go ahead, we can do that. But you see, a basic fault like this can really save you a lot of money. If you like the video and it has saved you some cash, please like and subscribe, and maybe you can even buy me a coffee. Thank you for watching.